Welcome to the stunning transformation of a formal dining room by Finest Remodeling and Construction. Let's take a closer look at this majestic project that combines luxury, craftsmanship, and impeccable design. Our journey begins with the centerpiece of the room, a retractable blade ceiling fan with a chandelier all-in-one. This innovative addition not only provides a cooling breeze, but also adds a touch of opulence with its exquisite chandelier design. Paired with the 4 strategically placed recessed lights, the room is bathed in a warm and inviting glow. The walls of this formal dining room have been adorned with a coat of metallic paint, creating a shimmering effect that adds depth and sophistication to the space. As you can see in the reflection of the 70-inch LED mirror, the room feels even more spacious and glamorous. Feast your eyes on the custom-made formal dining table, a true masterpiece crafted from solid wood and fiberglass. The combination of materials not only exudes luxury, but also ensures durability for years to come. The table has been meticulously finished with a coat of metallic paint, perfectly matching the walls and creating a harmonious design. To complete the project, the flooring has been adorned with porcelain white tiles featuring a silver sparkle polished finish. The reflective surface adds a touch of glamour, elevating the overall aesthetic of the space and tying all the elements together seamlessly. Throughout the entire process, the team from Finest Remodeling and Construction demonstrated their professionalism and attention to detail. They carefully listened to the client's vision and brought it to life with their expert craftsmanship and exceptional workmanship. In conclusion, this formal dining room project by Finest Remodeling and Construction exemplifies elegance, sophistication, and meticulous attention to detail. The retractable blade ceiling fan with chandelier, the recessed lights, the metallic painted walls, the LED mirror, the custom-made dining table, and the porcelain white tiles with silver sparkles polished finish all combine to create a space that is truly extraordinary. If you're looking to transform your own space, look no further than Finest Remodeling and Construction. Their expertise and commitment to excellence will ensure that your vision becomes a reality. Contact them today for all your remodeling and construction needs at 832-472-9735 or learn more about them at finestremodeling.pro.